All right, Mr. Love here, and I am sitting in my house looking out over the snowy, icy, nasty backyard. So I hope you guys are warm. I hope you guys are safe, and I hope you've enjoyed your last couple of days. What I want to do is take a little bit of time every day, and I'll start by posting these in announcements, but eventually I'll start to change these introduction videos from telegamis to these screen capture videos that'll just walk you through what you need to do lesson by lesson. I'll make that update kind of as we go. My spring break's different than yours, so that'll give me a little bit of time to get ahead, and I'll try to use some of this time when we have work days to get ahead on those as well. And maybe, just maybe, that'll help you guys out. So I'm hanging out here on the Judicial Branch page in Unit 2, and I have changed this page up. So hopefully it will be easier for you guys. So for right now, there's your telegami introduction that you can watch.
Today you'll be looking at the federal court system of the United States.
All right. Just a little introduction. It goes over your learning targets. Now, what I want you to do is to watch this video. So you need to, here it is. If it doesn't work here, it's right here. You need to click on this document. Open up this document. You'll have to excuse my my other work I've got up. And all it is just 10 questions. Okay, so as you watch the video, you have your Word document open, and you can slide it over so you can see both, and you're answering the questions as you watch this. Now, you'll take some of those questions, you'll click on this discussion, and you will, I'll reopen it for you guys. As a matter of fact, I can do that as we go right now. So let's change that to Friday. Save. So now, easy as that. You can click on a new post, and you can put up a couple of your questions. If I could type and answers, all right, and talk about those together. Make sure you guys got the right answers. Okay, so watch the video, you do the discussion. And then here's a teacher video. You have my PowerPoint embedded. This is the same PowerPoint I use in my classroom. You can see my writing still on it from the last time I used it. All right. And then you've got a teacher video. Now, the website for this that I normally use right here says that it's down. So I'm going to keep an eye on this. See, it's not even loading, but I'm going to keep an eye on this and just make sure. If not, then see, here it is. It's not responding. So if not, then I will figure out a way to get that video in there, because you'll need that video to do this last part. Okay, so you'll notice I had it to where it took you to different websites. You had to create accounts. That's just, to me, that smelled like a headache. So as you watch that teacher video, click on your court's note catcher. All right, there's the other file still up, and there's your note catcher. There's 3 different types of federal courts. Okay, and I'll even go ahead and help you out. You have your district, you have your United States Court of Appeals, and you have the U.S. Supreme Court. All right, so tell me, how many judges are in each? How many different types of courts? So for the Supreme Court, there's only one. All right, excuse me. All right, district courts, there's a whole lot more than one. All right, what do they do? So district courts deal with minor federal disputes. They're the only type that you get a trial by jury in, etc. The Supreme Court deals with constitutional issues, and then you're going to tell me what kind of jurisdiction they have. Jurisdiction means authority. So if you think about it, and I'll talk about this in more detail, if you're driving down the road in South Carolina, you see a North Carolina State Trooper, you're not worried about that because they can't pull you over, right? Well, same thing's kind of true with courts. If you commit a certain type of crime, it goes to a certain type of court. They have jurisdiction, or they have authority over that, all right? So you will finish that that document. You will submit it to me via Dropbox completed, and you'll be good to go. And that will be talking about the court system, and they like to emphasize the court system. If you understand this, the 3 different types of federal courts in the judicial branch, when we get to state government, you'll understand that. It'll be easy. We'll just add one more court to it and be good to go. As always, if you have questions or issues, email me, let me know, but try to get this work done and submit it to me by Friday.